Hi guys, in today's video I want to show you how to hide and unhide notes in Samsung. First of all, you want to go into your Samsung Notes application here. As you can see, these are the notes I currently have on my notes here. So the app, the notes you want to hide, you can long press it like this. It will show you an option. There are actually two things you can do here. You can either lock a note by clicking on lock like this, and if you want to unlock it, you can long press it again, and then you can click on unlock. That is, it will prompt you to unlock with your fingerprint or pattern, whatever case you apply. And then if you want to hide the note, you can long press it again. There is an option that says more here. It will show you the options. There are few things you can do here. You can either save the note as a file, you can duplicate it, you can add to a favorite, you can invite collaborators. That means you can invite someone to work alongside with you as you are working on the notes, and you can also add it to a shared notebook. And then the part where you want to hide it is the part that says move to secure folder. If you click on move to secure folder, it will move right away. That is if you have previously set up the secure folder. But if in your own case you have not previously set up the secure folder, it can prompt you to create a folder. It will prompt you to either secure the folder with a pattern or pin or your fingerprint. Whichever that is more convenient for you, you can do that. In my own case, I have previously created the note, so it has moved the folder to my secure folder. So if I want to see it, I can go to my secure folder here and then click on it. It will take you to the folder. Then you can probably remove it again or leave it like that. That's how to go about that. Thank you.